Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. So, let's start. First one is the Korean word for map, and that is 지도. 지도. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for dream, and that is 꿈. 꿈. This one is very easy, right? Next is the Korean word for sweat, and that is 땀. 땀. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for prince, and that is 왕자. 왕자. Next comes the Korean word for princess, and that is 공주. 공주. Okay, now let's see how to say farm in Korean language, and that is 농장. 농장. Now comes the Korean word for horse, and that is 말. 말. Next, let's see how to say washing machine in Korean language, and that is 세탁기. 세탁기. Okay, now comes the Korean word for perfume, and that is 향수. 향수. And the last one is the Korean word for snake, and that is 뱀. 뱀. Okay, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.